And we know that these things are all covered under the Domestic Violence Act. And I will let you to go into explaining protection orders. People are allowed to have protection orders. I'll need to explain to the listening public how you can go about obtaining a protection order.
If you believe that you are a victim of domestic violence exposed to physical abuse, sexual abuse, financial abuse, remember though that your first option is always to have it investigated so that we can do an assessment on your case, because sometimes you may need to have your perpetrator placed before the court, because if it is a criminal offense rather than in a civil nature, you may want to report that criminal offense to the police, but not to say that you would not be able to apply for order, because you can still apply for order. The option is always the victim's option to apply for order. But to do so, you can go to the courts, any court within the jurisdiction. For example, if you live in Christchurch and you are being victimized in Christchurch, you can go to Oistins. Bridgetown has courts, and you can go to the north, which is Old Town, or you can come to us and we can assist you in putting in your application. If you don't feel that you're able to do it on your own, you can come and we will assist you in putting in the application for your order. But of course, when you go to the court, the clerical officers there will assist persons in putting in the application for their protection order.
And we know that we've had some serious matters, and it's not the Family Conflict Unit alone. You depend on help from other government agencies. Now, how has that help been from the other government agencies in facilitating what you do here?
Yes. That is where it spoke about referral pathways. We have referrals that we will make to the National Assistance Board. We will also work with the Child Care Board. We work with the welfare. They have a family unit as well, so we work with the welfare department to assist those persons who may have different needs or different requirements based on what is happening within their particular circumstances. And in some cases, we will work with the NGOs to work with other persons who may need other help in facilitating domestic violence as well.
Right. The Family Conflict Unit, obviously we know it caters to Barbadian public. But let's say we have visitors to the island, they're here for an extended period of time, a short period of time. How does this relate? They're in an abusive situation. How is the services of the Family Conflict Unit extended to them?
The services of the Family Conflict Unit extends to any person on our island who is visiting, or for one purpose or the other. Once that you recognize that you see red flags or anything that tell you that you may not be in the best situation, or any form of thing that can escalate, and you believe that you need help, do not hesitate to report the matter to the Family Conflict Unit or any police station. We monitor these cases daily, and we will see any report that goes to the police station. We'll be aware that it was made there, and we will follow up on those cases as well. The telephone numbers for the Family Conflict Unit, 430-7323 or 430-7216.
Well, I want to say thank you, Inspector Husbands. This has been very enlightening, and I really look forward to seeing you in the future, and want to wish you all the best and hope that you will continue the good work for all Barbados.
I want to thank you for that, but I also want to send a message to the general public. You can report, and I always ask persons to seek help early. I have seen cases where persons sometimes are in domestic matters and they will stay a very long time before they report it. I know that you may have reservations why, but this is the purpose of the Family Conflict Unit. You bring your reservations to us and we will discuss it and make the appropriate referrals for you to help you in your situation relating to domestic violence abuse.